Ski jumping is a winter sport in which competitors aim to achieve the farthest jump after sliding down on their skis from a specially designed curved ramp. Along with jump length, competitors' aerial style and other factors also affect the final score. Ski jumping was first contested in Norway in the late 19th century and later spread through Europe and North America in the early 20th century. Along with cross-country skiing, it constitutes the traditional group of Nordic skiing disciplines. The ski jumping venue, commonly referred to as a hill, consists of the jumping ramp, takeoff table, and a landing hill. Each jump is evaluated according to the distance traveled and the style performed. The distance score is related to the construction point, which is a line drawn in the landing area and serves as a target for the competitors to reach. The score of each judge evaluating the style can reach a maximum of 20 points. The jumping technique has evolved over the years, from jumps with the parallel skis with both arms pointing forwards to the V-style, which is widely used today. Ski jumping has been included at the Winter Olympics since 1924 and at the FIS Nordic World Ski Championships since 1925. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.